Okabukwa nwanne olu igwe apị obi akụ na-atakasị ọ na-asị na udo dịrị unu, udo ya chịkwa. Yeah, come to the outcome of this place. The flood has been too much, has demolished many things. Yeah, Nala Biafra. Yeah, so I have to visit the area. Kamalo to Tishe Wade. So this is where we cross sometime. In the times of doing our great job that we've been doing in Biafra land. So yeah, we have all the equipment in Biafra land to make sure that everything will be okay. Yeah, so the thing have damaged many houses. It have demolished many houses. It's just that I don't have enough energy. My phone have not been charged. Yeah, so everything is calm for the moment. As you can see, we brought a lot of huge stones to make sure that we put things in order so that people can go out and be coming in their businesses. As you can see, it have destroyed many people's crops. Over there were people planting tomato, maize, and all sorts of things. Sugarcane, but everywhere have been destroyed. Yeah, so we are still together, working on to good for the benefit of Biafra. Yeah, everything gonna be okay. Yeah, from Biafra land. Yeah, so we move. As soon as Mazin and the Kano will be coming out, yeah, we are going to be moving forward. Yeah, that's it. Great job has been done, and we are continuing doing it till the end. Biafra must be restored. Yeah, take care.